do a quick review because my skin is so dry and my hair so shit. Ugh, ignore the freaking hair. It's doing desperately. Right, so today I thought we'll do a quick review on the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. So I'll open it up and have a look. So it's in a gold package. Oh, my skin is so dry. So I thought we'd have a little pamper. This feels minging. Why do I always review things that feel minging? It stinks. And it's wet. Oh my god. What the freaking hell is this? What the world is that? I'm gonna look like the Terminator. Right. Ugh, I don't think I could put this on my freaking face. What the hell? Right. What on earth? So, what is this? I have to take my specs off. Oh my god. So that goes on there. And then it's got another one. Ugh. This one. Just make sure it's recording because I don't want to do this all over again. Because it feels disgusting. Oh! It's going to be like a Gimp mask. So that goes on there. Oh my god, I'm definitely going to like walk up. Oh god, it's freezing. Right. Oh my god. Have you seen them sex doll things where they have the dogs on the lead? Maybe I should shut up. Right. Oh my god. My life. Oh my god, I definitely look like one of them Gimp masks. Am I allowed to see all this on here? Oh well, I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh my god. I don't even know how long you leave it on for. We forgot to have a look. This is a Gimp mask. No, it's not a Gimp mask. Hey, right, how long do I, oh my god. I don't know why I do these things for. I should maybe read the instructions first, shouldn't I? Right, that's it. So you're supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes. So, I don't know if this will last 10 minutes. Because it feels like not nice. It might help me dry skin though. Do you think? Like, press it down. I can't see that doing anything. So when you take this off, so you just take it off and then massage what you've got left on your face. Is this like a use once thing, do you think? I don't know, I just feel like a Gimp. Not that I know what a Gimp feels like. Oh my god. It says, reset the look of your skin after the visible assaults of modern life. What a lot of shit. Sugar. Instantly looking skin looks fresher and renewed for this week ahead. It's supposed to lock in, moisturise, so skin emerges more radiant and more translucent than ever. Well, I should put one on my hair, shouldn't I? Because that needs doing desperately. Oh my god, should I just delete this, do you think? Experience the ultimate infusion of youth. Ooh. And I go back to my youth days. Instead of being an odd nana. Right, this is starting to make my skin feel a bit itchy like. Should I just take it off? It's only been on like 4 minutes or something. It's supposed to stay on for 10. Oh, do you know when you just want to rag your skin off? Shall we take the Gimp mask off? As I'm going to call it. I can't see that being lax. Oh. We don't want to close up, do we? Look. Belly. Oh, do I look youthful? No, I still look like a mad hag. Do you know? Oh, I'll get too close. Oh, it doesn't feel too bad. Oh, it doesn't feel so dry anymore. Maybe it's because it's all wet. Yep. Right. What rating shall I give the Gimp mask? It's not a Gimp mask. It's an advanced night repair. Right, well, I didn't leave it on for the full 10 minutes. It's starting to make my face itchy. I think that's just because my skin's so dry. So I think we'll give this Gimp mask. Watch, but that's my thumbnail. Well, we'll give this a 7 out of 10 because it did make us a bit itchy. 7 out of 10. Grab your Gimp masks and join me.